cute. Do you mind if I grab a glass of water?
Yeah, go ahead. The glasses are in the first cabinet.
Let's do it on the floor. We're going to do it on the floor.
You're gonna get on the floor?
Come on, let's
What?
As in right over the dishwasher?
Yeah. Caitlin. Cash, what are you doing?
Look, it's finished.
It's finished.
Do you have two combo bananas?
You gonna cuddle? Can you give him a hug, Caitlin?
No.
No?
Come on, let's play kid.
Let's play camp. He wants to play on the couch.
You want to play kid on the couch? No. No.
There. Can I get?
Oh,
What are you doing?